Hello everybody. My name is Daniel Kelly. I am the lead instructor at Vue School, and I'm super excited to share a Nuxt tip with you here today. So let's take a look at loading data in parallel with Nuxt.js. Here inside of the my code editor, I do have two useFetch calls that are making requests synchronously, right? They're making requests sequentially. That is, one of them is running. It's awaiting the end of that request, and then another one is running. Now, the actual API endpoint here, all it does is just sleep for 2 seconds so that you can better see how these are blocking one another. Okay, so this is my sequential request. If I open up my terminal down here and then refresh the page that this code powers, wait just a moment, and yeah, here we go. Sure enough, that takes about 4 seconds. So we have the combination, the sum of my requests taking up and blocking that page load. Okay, let's say that these requests, though, don't rely on any information from one to be passed to the other for the second request to be successful. For instance, in a blog, maybe you want to load the author and the comments as separate requests for one reason or another. Well, you don't need any information about the author in order to load the comments. So you could do those requests, make those requests in parallel. So instead of using useFetch, now I'll replace this code and use async data instead. And what I return from useAsync data is promise.all. This allows me to wrap up multiple fetch requests and run them in parallel. Awesome. So now let's see how long it takes for this page to load. Can you guess? Well, I'll open up my terminal, reload the page. Awesome. This time we only wait about 2 seconds. Now that's still pretty long in the web dev world, of course, but we have literally cut our load time in half just by loading these two requests in parallel. I hope you enjoyed the tip. Y'all continue to enjoy the rest of the conference.